Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home Police Preston Tinsong has ruled out any foul play in the death of the Hungarian tourist who was found dead near Sora nearly 2 weeks after he went missing. He stated that the tourist had accidentally fallen into the river and dismissed any suspicion of foul play. The Deputy Chief Minister highlighted the dangers posed by Meghalaya's rivers, especially in hilly regions, and reiterated repeated advisories issued to tourists to exercise caution when visiting or trekking near riverbanks. He stressed that the state's water bodies in hilly terrains are vastly different from those in the plains, making them particularly risky for unaccompanied or uninformed visitors. The body of the missing tourist Puskas Zolt was recovered on Thursday afternoon. He was missing since March 29th.
There was no such foul play at all. Let me just tell you. In fact, very unfortunate, he had an accident in that reef. From time to time, we used to request the tourists coming down to Meghalaya, not only that Sora side, but anywhere they go. Because see, the river here in Meghalaya is very challenging. You can't treat the water of plain belt and the hilly area. It's totally different. So therefore, we used to request them that you have to be very careful while swimming and then even while touring to the riverbed.
The state government has warned